Yo, Joe, what do you know? Ha 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 ha. I'm back from the store, and you know, they didn't have too much of a selection, but I'm guessing. Remember, I measured the threads. I kind of eyeballed that, and it was a 1/4 inch. Well, 1/4 inch screws usually is the overall thing, so I don't think 1/4 inch is going to work. I'm going to try it anyways. And sure enough, it's not big enough. I went up one bigger than that, and that was 5/16. And I got 1.25 inch long screws, 1.5 inches. And I'm hoping this is what it is. I didn't get 3/8 in diameter. Look at that, it seems to be fitting. I think that's going to work. It seems to be threading down there, and I don't know if there's something that's fairly close to this. Maybe it's a metric, but the store I was at, there's only so much to pick from. And sometimes you have to make do. Now that's going in. It's not going in very far. Okay? But, granted, this thing is really super light. I could probably lift this up with one finger if I had somewhere to grab. You know, it's very, very light. So, I don't need to get the threads down there very far. And I bought 80 washers. Because remember, I have to lift up this gap that's, you know, a 1/2 inch or so. And so I think maybe 10 washers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 washers. And if I put those right there, and then I take this and run down through that. Uh-oh. Look at that, will you? It's not big enough to slide through there. Well, maybe it is. Okay. Wow. I'm kind of threading it right into that opening. See there? I think that's going to work, just barely. I would have had to take a reamer bit or something through there to get it. Once I get it started through there, I don't know. Maybe I can whack it into place. We'll soon find out. Man, I have to hold this about where I think it's going to need to be. Probably somewhere in there. So I'm going to have to go through, yeah. I may end up still having to drill this out just a hair with the reamer bit. I think. I'll get set up. Yeah, see, it's not really going. I could take a ratchet on there. Once I get it in, for some reason this is working here. See, and I can't really slide it very well along there. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to kind of hold this up where I want it, you know, and put a mark so I can take a reamer bit and ream it right there. I think I'll have to do that in a minute. I'm going to get this all set up, so I'm going to put my washers, you know, 10 washers, and in fact I'll have to see once I have that in there. I think if I go down a little bit, it should be fine. And I have, what did I bring with me? I brought a little ratchet set, because see, I'm not going to be able to reach that very well with my cloisonne, my little crescent wrench. You know, once I get it in there, see? But for the time being, I can just put it in. See, that looks like it's going to go. Okay, so I had oh, here it is. I brought my ratchet set. Just a cheapo little set so I can figure, you know, so I can tighten everything up that way. The screws that they would have given you with the mounting bracket would probably be with a Phillips screwdriver to tighten up, but they didn't have anything like this at the store with Phillips threads. Had I have gone to a big huge box store, they might have had something like that. Okay. And I'm just gonna get this a little bit. I don't want to go too far. And see, I think that's going to be fine. And if that's not down low enough, I can put a couple washers here first before that, you know. Because the last thing I want to do is drive this down too far, break any threads, or push it down into the TV where it shouldn't be. If I just get it snug, that should be fine. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos